Trimester A review. All right, multiple choice. Find the slope of the line that passes through negative 4, 2 and 6, 6. I know that my slope formula is m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. If I label these x1, y1, x2, y2, I know I'm going to do y2 minus y1, so 6 minus 2 over x2 minus x1, so 6 minus negative 4. And so 6 minus 2 is 4. On the bottom, I'll do leave, change, opposite. That will create 6 plus 4, which is 10. I notice none of those answers match. However, if I divide both of those by 2, I will get 2/5. So my answer will be C, 2/5. All right, multiple choice, solve for x. Negative 2 times the quantity 8x plus 1 equals negative 32 minus 6x. The first thing that I'm going to do is distribute that negative 2 to both parts, so I'm going to get negative 16x. Negative 2 times 1 will be a negative 2, and then equals negative 32 minus 6x. Okay, I need to get the x's together, so to get rid of minus 6x, we're going to do plus 6x to both sides. Okay, so negative 16x plus 6x will give me negative 10x minus 2 equals negative 32, right? And continuing to solve for x, I'm going to get rid of the minus 2 by adding 2. So I'll get negative 10x equals negative 32 plus 2 is negative 30, and then we'll divide both sides by negative 10, and x equals 3. So we will pick choice B. All right, 35. Mrs. Sampson opens a 500-piece bag of candy. Students start consuming the candy at a rate of 30 pieces per day. If x represents the number of school days since the bag was opened, and f of x is the number of pieces of candy remaining, write a function formula for 500 for f of x. So we're going to have f of x equals, now I notice that this is a linear representation, so we could put mx plus b if we wanted to. M stands for the slope, and b stands for our starting amount. So my slope, students are starting to eat the pieces of candy, so this would be a negative 30 for the slope, and then we start with a 500-piece bag of candy. So that's what my function would look like. Another way of writing it would be 500, we started at 400, and the bag is losing 30 pieces every day. So either of those would be fine. F of x is just another way of writing y, remember. Okay, 36, multiple choice. Graph the solution to the inequality y is less than 2x plus 1. Okay, I notice they're all lines, which is good. They're all headed up, so they all have a positive slope, and this one has a positive slope. I do notice the same side on all of them is shaded. Well, actually, it's not. It is on most of them. But the biggest thing that I notice is that we've got a less than sign, and I know with the less than signs, it has to be a dotted line, and B is the only one that has a dotted line. So B has to be the option for that one.